While I was connecting the converter to the charge controller, I burned both the converter as well as the charge controller. So in this video, I will show you how to repair a solar converter. It has 4 screws to open. After removing the cover, I have removed the 2 screws holding the IC on its place. In such cases, mostly the problem is with the MOSFET. I will check them first. It shouldn't give a beep at any pins of these MOSFETs. These 2 MOSFETs show sorted. Let's check the third MOSFET. There are total 3 MOSFETs, but 2 of them with the heat sinks is the most likely to get affected by the high voltage and current. It's looking good, so let's check the other components if it's sorted as well. But here all the components show sorted. It is because if one of the component gets sorted, all the other components in parallel show sorted. So let's remove the MOSFET at first to verify if it's sorted or not. This MOSFET is shorted, it's confirmed. The another one is fine. So now I will change this MOSFET. I brought this same value MOSFET from the market. Before placing it, I will apply the heatsink paste. The second MOSFET is fine, so I will place it as it is. Still, I have applied the heatsink paste so that it don't burns out. I will cut the excess part of the legs so that it don't shorts the other component. Let's see if it works. Now it looks good, no overload indication at all. Okay, hope you liked this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.